Hello students, good morning to all. Standard 8, subject Sanskrit, chapter 6, and the chapter name is Vinod Padani. Entertaining verses. In this chapter, six characters has been spoken. What they spoken? They spoken about 10th planet. And they comparing the 10th planet, the son-in-law is called 10th planet. The person who does not have money is not respected in this society. A donkey singing at the marriage ceremony. Whose marriage ceremony? Of camels. A doctor is called or compared to Lord Yamraj's brother. Why they do this? Why the writer is saying this? Let's see. See the first one. सदा वक्री सदा क्रूह सदा पूज्यपेक्षते कन्या राशि स्थिता नित्यम जमाता दस्मो ग्रह. See, in this verse, Aries, Taurus, Gemini, all the sign, but the poet has been taken the Virgo sign from the group and said the son-in-law who is residing in the sign is the like the 10th planet. Now student, you can see here the 9 planet, sun, moon, mercy, Mars, you know all the 9 planet. In this verses, the poet has created humor by calling a son-in-law the 10th planet that is residing in the Kanya Rashi. Okay, who is residing? The planet is residing in the Kanya Rashi. Now see the translation. Always crooked, always cruel, always residing in the Kanya Rashi. Who is crooked and who is cruel? The planet, and planet is compared with son-in-law, and Kanya Rashi, he is residing in the Kanya Rashi. Who always expect to be served and felicitated. A son-in-law in the 10th planet. Son-in-law is compared with 10th planet. So this verse is on son-in-law. That son-in-law is always crooked, always cruel, and always residing in the Kanya Rashi, who always accept to be served. Yes. Now see the second number. टका धम टका कर्म टका ही परमम तप ह्यस्त हस्ते टका नास्ति हाट के टक टकायते. Now see in this verse, in the world money is everything. Who is saying this? Writer is saying this. The one who has no money is not respected by anyone. Now see the translation. Money is religion. Money is duty. Money is the highest pence. The one is whose hand there is no money, vendor aimless in the market. With this verse, writer is explaining you the money is religion. In this world, money is everything. The money who has no money, no one is respected by anyone. Okay. Now see the third number student. Ghatam bhinghatam patam chinghatam kriya das bharoharam yen ken prakaren prasiddhi purusho bhavetam. Here is ultimate desire a man to gain fame has been described. In this verse, the writer is going to describe you ultimate desire of the man by smashing, this is the translation of this verse, by smashing an earthen pot, by ripping clothes or riding on a donkey. Man should become famous in any which way. With the help of this verse, what the writer is explaining here, the ultimate desire of the man to gain fame has been described. Okay. Now see the fourth number. Ghatam. Now see the fourth. Ushtaram hi vivaheshu geetam gayanti gadabha. परस्परम प्रशंसयन्ति अहो रूपम अहो ध्वनिः. Oh, really donkey singing in the marriage ceremony of camel. Whose marriage ceremony? Marriage ceremony of camel. And who is singing? Donkey is singing. They praise each other. Oh, what a beautiful form. Oh, what a sweet voice. Who is praising each other? Donkey and camel. What a voice. The camel praise the donkey in the way. Highly placed officials are like the ugly camel. But the camel is look very ugly. Other harsh voice. And who have harsh voice? Harsh voice. Donkey have very harsh voice. After all this, the camel and donkey praise each other. Donkey always praise each other. This fact has been shown here. Okay. Now see the fifth number. Kanya vartate rupam mata vitam pita shrutam bandhava kul michanti misthan mitre jana. Now see the translation. A girl like give importance to looks, a mother to wealth, and a father like the education. The relatives give importance to the high status of the family, while other want sweet dishes. In this verse, writer is explaining you other people are interested only in the food. They are not concerned with the anything else. In this verse, the viewpoint of various people towards marriage has been presented. Okay, in this verse, writer is presenting the marriage ceremony. Now see the last one. Vaidyaraj namastu bhayam Yamraj sahodar. Yamastu hariti pranam Vaidya pranam dhanani cha. O doctor, great brother of Yamraj, salute to you. Yama only take away life. A doctor take away life and money too. Now you can see here in this verse, our writer is explaining us the doctor and Yamraj. Writer is comparing with doctor and Yamraj. Both are brother. Salute with them. Why? Yama only take life, but a doctor take life and money too. Okay, hope you like this. See the glossary. Vakri, not straightforward. Jamata, son-in-law. Hatke, in the market. Rasambha, donkey. Kanya Rasi Stita, born in the Virgo, remaining in the group of girls. Gandharva, donkey. Ustha, camel. Virtam, Virtam means wealth. Sahodara, Sahodara means real brother. Taka, rupees. Tak takayate, vendors. Bin ghata, should break. Chin ghata, should cut. Patam, cloth. Shrutam, knowledge. Bin ghata, should break. Chin ghata, should cut. Patam, close. Shrutam, knowledge. Now students, see the exercise. See the first number. There is the pronunciation of the following word properly. Kanya Rasi Sthito, Puja Pekshate, Tak Takayate, Vingata, Kru Dash Brohanam, Ushthanam, Prashanshanti, Kul Mikchanti, Mishtan Mitre, Namastu Bhayam. This only you have to do the pronunciation. Now see the second one. Split Sandhi of the following word. Okay, Split sandhi means there is given the one word that you have to split, or if you have to break it and make the two words. Pujam pekshate, that we have to make pujam add upekshate, that you have to make the two word with pujam pekshate. Pujam plus add upekshate. Now see the second one. Kul mikshanti. Kulam add ikshanti. Kulam ikshanti. Okay, this is the two word, kulam and ikshanti. Now see the third one. Mishtanan mitre, that you have to make mishtananam itre. Mishtananam and itre. Split sandhi. Now see the third one. Join the following word. Ka api, kodapi. Ka api, that we have to make a single word, that we have to join it. Kodapi. Yamastu. Yam tu. Yamastu. Yam or tu. Yamastu. Namaha tubhyat. Namaha tu bhayam. Namastu bhayam. Namaha is a single word. Tu bhayam is a single word. Namastu bhayam. Now see the complete the following shlok. This according to your chapter. This you have to find out from your chapter. You can easily get this. This is the, I will tell you the first one. Sada vakri, sada kru, sada pujam pekshate, kanya rasti sthita, nityam jamata dasmo graha. So this is the first one that you have to fill it and you have to write. And see the second. Kanya varityate. Kanya varityate rupam mata vittam pita shrutam bandvaha kul mikshanti misthana mitre janaha. Okay, so first and the fifth number that you have to write here. Complete the following stroke. Copy out the following word. Only this word you have to copy. And see the sixth number. Frame the new sentence replacing the underlined words given in the brackets. You can see you have to frame this new sentence. Sada pujam upekshate. So you can see this is the underlined word puja, and you have to replace this word and you have to frame the another word with the help of this in the brackets. You can see dhanam sukham smanam. You have to put this word and dhanam. Sada dhanam upekshate. Sada sukham upekshate. Sada sammanam upekshate. Like this. Second one also. Kriyata rasambhe ahoharam. Now see kriyata on the place of this underlined word ashve aroharam. Aroharam. Now see the second one. Kriyata gaje arohanam. Kriyata bali vade arohanam. Third number. Bandvaha kulam ikshanti. Bandva dhanam ikshanti. Bandva vastram ikshanti. Bandva vidham ikshanti. Like this you have to frame this sentence. Okay. Thank you.